Hello friend, this is me Sadiq and you're watching Biologism. I'm back with a new video, and in this video we are gonna talking about some important lecture biology MCQs, and today's topic is sports and locomotion. So in this topic we will consider around about 100 MCQs in 3 different lectures. So let's start today's lectures, but before that, again I'm requesting to everyone that click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. So our first question is the Scannery Wall. The Scannery cell wall of sclerenchyma cell is impregnated with cellulose, peptidoglycan and mucin. Option C is there lignin and D is pectin. So always remember that the Scannery cell wall of sclerenchyma cell is impregnated with lignin, and the primary cell wall of sclerenchyma is impregnated with pectin. So differentiate between Scannery and primary is that primary contain pectin and Scannery have lignin impregnated within it. So moving towards the next MCQs, we have among the following which are longest sportive cells. So here we have 4 different kinds of cells, and we have to click the right one, which is the longest sportive cell. So option A is correct one. The tracheids are the sportive cells which are longest in the length. Moving ahead, so our today's must remember that today's reason for being in English is that we are having our most of the audience right from USA, Germany and other countries. So due to this problem I have to make a video in English as we can't still use subtitle. So the third MCQs is increase in plant girth due to activity of is called Scannery growth. So as you know that the Scannery growth is due to the core cambium and vascular cambium. So we have D option, both A and C are correct one. The fourth MCQ is vascular cambium initially appear as actively dividing cells between. You know that we have 2 cambiums, vascular cambium and the core cambium. While vascular cambiums is the process of dividing cells between the primary xylem and from primary phloem. So option C is correct one. The question number 5 is sperm of liverworts, mosses, ferns move towards archegonia in response to nucleic acid released by the ovum. This is an example of. So always remember that plants show different responsive movements, and among them the movement of archegonia, sperm from the archegonia to antheridium in response to the nucleic acid released by the ovum is the example of chemotactic movement. So option B is correct one. 6 MCQs is the place of attachment of leaf with shoot is called. So it is very important and common MCQs, and the option C is correct. The place of attachment of leaf with the shoot is named as palvulus. So C is correct. Question number 7 is rapid movement of leaf of mimosa on touching is an example of. So always remember that the movement due to touching experience is named as turgor movement. So option A is correct one. In 7th we have correct answer as in shape of A. Question number 8 is roots of plant show positive phototropism. No, remember that root of plant always show positive geotropism of stem and root negative phototropism and positive geotropism. So in B option we have negative phototropism and positive geotropism. So option B is correct. Question number 9 is epinestry is controlled by. epinasty is a process in plants, and it is controlled by auxin. Auxin is a hormone of plants, so option C is correct. Question number 10 is gibberellin is an example of growth inhibitor, growth stimulator, growth hormone, or none of these. So remember that gibberellin is a hormone in plants and it works as a growth stimulator in plants. So option B is correct. Next, moving ahead, question number 11. In 11 we have, which of the following animals has a hydrostatic skeleton? Hydrostatic skeleton is present among the following organisms in earthworm. So option A is correct. So question number 12 is, in an annelids the contraction of circular muscle result in. So when the circular muscle contracts in an annelids, the body goes for thinning. So thinning of the body is the result of construction of circular muscles. So till then we have solved the 12 MCQs. So moving ahead, question number 13. So in 13 we have, which of the following statement is incorrect about molluscans? So we have to mark the incorrect statement about the molluscan. So in first A part we have, they are surrounded by single or double piece of the hard skeleton. Yeah, they have. Option B is the shell grows as animal grows. Exactly, that is correct. They have hydrostatic skeleton. Yeah, that is present. So they move by tube feet. No, they don't have any tube feet. So option D is correct one. Question number 14 is, which one of the following forms the bulk of exoskeleton of an arthropod? So bulk of exoskeleton of arthropod is basically made up of procuticle. So option B is correct one. Question number 15, the exoskeleton of marine snail is composed of. In case of marine skeleton, marine snail, the exoskeleton is composed of calcium carbonate. So option B is correct. Question number 16 is, endoskeleton is secreted by. So where from endoskeleton is secreted? It is secreted from the middle layer of the gastrovascular cavity, or like middle layer, and then the middle layer is named as mesoderm. So question number 17, collagen fiber of bone are hardened by the deposition of. Collagen fiber are hardened by the deposition of calcium and phosphate oxide. So we have option A, calcium and phosphate oxide. So in case of question number 18, which one of the following is avascular structures? So option A is a compact bone, B is spongy bone, and C is cartilage. So remember that avascular structure is cartilage. Question number 19 is, which of the following bone is not present in hind limb? So hind limb have femur, tibia and fibula. Yeah, radius isn't present here. So option C is correct. Question number 20 is, how many bones are present in the wrist? So always remember that the wrist contain 8 bones. So option C is correct. Moving ahead toward question number 21, and question number 21 is, which of the following bones are present in the palm of the hand? Now here we have to take the bones which are present in the palm of the hand, and these bones are named as metacarpals. So option B is correct one. Question number 22 is, how many vertebrae are present in vertebral column of the man? So now we have to take the total number of vertebrae in the vertebral column. So remember that a vertebral column of man contains 33 vertebrae. So option A is correct. Question number 23 is, how many vertebrae are present in coccus? So coccus contain 4 vertebrae. So option D is correct. Question number 24 is, how many vertebrae are present in the neck or cervical region of the man? So Cervical region of the man contains 7 vertebrae, so option A is correct. Moving towards question number 25. How many vertebrae are present in the thoracic region? So thoracic region contains 12 vertebrae, so option B is correct. Question number 26 is how many vertebrae are in sacrum? So sacrum is a region in a vertebral column and it contains 5 vertebrae, so option C is correct. Question number 28 is how many vertebrae are present in lumbar region? So lumbar region also contain 5 vertebrae, so option C is correct. Question number 29 is which of the following bones are present in pectoral girdle? So now we have to click the bones which are present in pectoral girdle. So option A and B, clavicle and scapula, are the bones which are present at pectoral girdle. So both of these options are correct. So question number 30 is a joint formed between humerus, radius and ulna is an example of. So here we have to click the type of a joint, and must remember that humerus, radius and ulna are the example of freely movable joint, so option C is correct. So that's the end of the lecture 1. Subscribe our channel and visit it regularly for more video and for lecture number 2, and see you soon in a very short time with the lecture number 2. Till then, goodbye.